Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that LayerX token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, LayerX connects experimentation with long-term product development under a single ecosystem rather than focusing on a single use case. LayerX links hackathons, incubation, tooling, and on-chain economic coordination into one continuous pipeline. Projects are not treated as short-lived experiments, but as assets that can mature into sustainable products with ongoing support, mentorship, and access to partners. The ecosystem is designed to include both technical and non-technical contributors, aligning incentives through a shared token economy that supports participation, governance, and ecosystem access across multiple products and incentives. LayerX project institution rating is 4.1 and this project audited by Ceritic. LayerX token total supply is 10 billion and circulating supply is also 10 billion LX token. LX token is listed on Uniswap, V3 and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 65% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.